Local news for Thursday, the 2nd of April. Well, Wairarapa now has 6 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the region. A female aged between 20 and 29 has been confirmed, while one person has fully recovered. The BNZ is open for business, not only with online banking, but Masterton's branch will be open today between 10am and 2pm. At least 8 Wairarapa cafes have signed up for community help during the lockdown, not deemed essential. SOScafe.nz was set up to help those local businesses to sell gift cards that they can redeem, punters can redeem later. This will play its part in helping them stay afloat during this difficult time. Details can be found at SOScafe.nz. Medical centres are reminding patients they want to keep the community as healthy as possible. If you feel unwell, then they want you to seek medical advice. Patients are asked not to arrive at centres but to phone beforehand. And due to the impacts of COVID-19, the Rumataka Hill planned overnight closure for Sunday the 5th of April has been cancelled. The next closures remain in place at this stage for 5 nights from 9pm on Sunday the 3rd of May. Critical maintenance, however, will continue. Kia ora for local news, I'm Brent Gare.